Assalamu alaikum. In this third lecture, I tell you about how to make a good paragraph and what makes a good paragraph. We have to able we have to be able to understand this paragraph and what can we do it to make our writing are able for the reader to read it. There are three steps to make a good paragraph: unity, coherence, and elaboration. What do means of all of these? First of all, I tell you about unity. Unity is the meaning in Urdu is ittihad and ittafaq. When a paragraph has unity, all of the sentence relate directly to make good ideas, to make the main ideas. If there is a sentence off topic at all, this begins to create confusion for your reader. जब हमारा जो पैराग्राफ है have not a unity in sentences, तो ये it create a confusion. If they have unity, they are relate to directly to the main ideas. And next, this is the example, this is the paragraph example that destroys the unity, does not belong it. इस वो कह रहा है कि ये हम एग्जाम्पल दी है, वो कह रहा है कि इसमें से आप कोई सेंटेंस ढूंढें जो आपको रिलेट नहीं कर रहा मेन आइडिया से. शी वॉज बोर्न इन एटिकॉन कैंसस इन 1896. ये इसकी बात कर रहा है कि जो उसके पैदा होने का सेंटेंस है ये इससे रिलेट नहीं कर रहा पैराग्राफ से, बाकी सारे रिलेट कर रहे हैं. और हमने देखा है कि ये बाकी सब रिलेट कर रहे हैं आपस में, जो उसने रिसर्चेस की थी. उसके बाद कोहेरेंस जो है ना, कोहेरेंट पैराग्राफ इज़ वन ऑफ विच ऑल ऑफ द सेंटेंस लॉजिकली फिट टुगेदर. When a paragraph has coherent, user can easily see how all of these detail are connected. वो easily देख सकता है. इसी तरह जो हमारा how we can create coherence, there are two ways: order detail in a way that makes sense, show a connection by using transition words. Transition word are the linking words होते हैं जो पैराग्राफ सेंटेंसेस को आपस में लिंक करते हैं, जैसे but, because, there are linking words. Organize your details in a specific order. First of all, order in a one way to make your paragraph clear and coherent. First of all, हमें क्या करना चाहिए, हमें अपने पैराग्राफ को एक ऑर्डर देना चाहिए, स्पेसिफिक ऑर्डर में ऑर्गेनाइज करना चाहिए. प्रेजेंट डिटेल्स अकॉर्डिंग टू लोकेशन, प्रेजेंट डिटेल इम्पोर्टेंस टू मोर देन रिवर्स, एंड ग्रुप्स रिलेटेड डिटेल्स टुगेदर. And there are linking words, those words that relate the sentences of paragraph to each other. We want to say a connecting words after, before, etc, but, also, and else. And then third is elaborate. Give us more details. Elaborate means to describe, to add more details about your paragraph for the reader easiness. रीडर की आसानी के लिए पैराग्राफ के अंदर जो इजाफी जो डिटेल्स दी जाती है उसे मतलब इलेबोरेट कहते हैं, ताकि वो इजीली इसे समझ सके, पैराग्राफ को, टॉपिक को इजीली समझ सके. हाउ वी आर 9 ways to elaborate. यूज हाईली डिस्क्रिप्शन वर्ड्स, you give a detailed definition of the subject, provide an examples to you show your point, use comparison, similes or metaphor, use contrast to show how your idea is different from the sentence else, including a fact to support your main ideas, use statistics and use and other details, genetic details, etc, and the use cause and effects to explain how one thinks cause and other. Use sensory details that appeals to one or more things of the 5 sense, etc, etc. And the last, Allah Hafiz.